In today's video, I'll teach you how to link a bank account to PayPal. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in paypal.com. Press enter. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the official website of PayPal. Make sure you're logged in to your account. So if you want to link a bank account, what you have to do is look at top. You'll be able to find various options over here. Click on this option wallet that you can see on the screen. Now you'll be able to access your PayPal wallet. You can see over here you'll not be able to directly link a bank account, but you'll be able to link a card associated with your bank account. So what you have to do is click on this option link a card that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be able to link a card. What you have to do is enter the card information which is associated with your bank account. So simply click on the field of card number and enter the card number over here. Likewise, also select the card network. Click on the field of card network. Now what you have to do is simply click on the option of your choice. Now likewise enter the expiration date, enter the month and year. Likewise enter the CVV. Also enter the billing address over here. Now after you enter all these informations, click on this option link card that you can see on the screen. Follow through the prompts in order to confirm linking this card. After you do that, this particular card will be linked to your PayPal account, which will be equivalent to linking the bank account. So that is how you link a bank account to PayPal. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.